Hey, hi guys, hi, how are you all? So, this is Sai Kiran from Let's Upgrade, and I think you guys are able to see me today, right now. Okay, hi everyone, am I live? Yes, I am live. Okay, so hi everyone, so I am Sai Kiran from Let's Upgrade, and you're learning from me C. Today is our. Okay, can you see me right now, by the way? Yep, I think you can see me. Oh, I have not transitioned yet. So now you will be able to see me. Okay, how are you all? So are you all good, fine, yes or no? So I can see that. Yep, I think you can see me. Oh, I have not transitioned yet. So now you will be able to see me. Okay, how are you all? How so? I was seeing my own video, that is it looking good, yes or a no. So I just thought of like, okay, let me just go live on a green screen today. I have got a green screen set up at house. So बस सोच रहा था चलो यार green screen में जाते हैं live आज, ठीक है. So let me just refresh this particular page. C प्लस प्लस का अपना अटेंडेंस एंड यू विल सी डे 5 का भी अटेंडेंस है. Just go click 0 to 10 में कुछ भी and say yes. Okay, so okay, here you will get one question, that are you interested in a 6 months long Let's Upgrade full stack program, yes or a no. So just say yes or a no, whatever it is, based on your input. Select any feedbacks. That's it. So I'm done with my attendance. If I refresh this, so I'm done almost 78% of my what we say progress. More 20% is missing because I have not yet submitted my assignments. Okay, so which are there on 17th and 19th of November. So yeah, keeping all these things aside, so let's just go ahead and start our day 5, which involves mostly this thing. Okay, what's this? We have to today learn about functions C++ के अंदर. So that's the last topic that we are going to cover today. So as soon as we are done with functions, we will be done with our full C++ के अंदर basics, and you guys can actually go ahead and progress even further. Okay, and if you want me to create a full tutorial on C++, please tell me in the chat right now. Okay, I can see I've been raising a poll that is having how many, that's having 58 votes as of right now. Okay, so please मुझे और भी votes के बारे में बता, like just give me the opinion of yours on the question that I'm asking in the chat. You can see one question is there, वहाँ पे आपका answer बताओ. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and get to C++ functions. So what do you mean by functions? पहले तो ये बताओ, what do you mean by functions in real life? So please tell me in the chat, what do you actually mean by functions? Okay, so when you are coding something, right, जब आपने क्या कभी कोड लिख रहे हो एंड आपको एक पर्टिकुलर लाइन ऑफ कोड है, वो बार बार नहीं लिखना है. Okay, you all are programming something and you don't want to write the same piece of logic over and over and over and over and again. So what you do is like you create a function, and as soon as you create a function, that function you can call anywhere to like just print that particular stuff or like use that particular code. Okay, so एक कोई piece of code है, वो एक बार आप लिख रहे हो, एक बार लिखने के बाद नेक्स्ट टाइम से, सो फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स इट विल जस्ट गो अहेड एंड remember that code, and whenever you call it, it will execute there. Okay, so that is the whole point which I am telling you in the chat. So now every one of you guys understand what exactly we mean by this thing. So आपको समझ में आया? What do you mean by DSA? DSA का मतलब data structures and algorithm है. If you guys want to do a full course on DSA, please tell me in the chat. I'm asking that how much that it should cost and all everything. Fine. So how exactly we can code something in C++? Okay. So how exactly we can code functions in C++? That is the question which I have for you all. So let's just go ahead and start writing our first function in C++. Okay, I see so many lines of code we have written. Okay, near about 179 lines are there. So let me just do one thing. Let me open one more Ripplet. Ripplet.com. Okay, so I'm opening one more Ripple and I'm just going create, and I want to create C++. Okay, function सीखने के लिए CPP functions are like C++ functions, create Ripple. Okay, so very simple thing, very simple thing, done. So I have got one main logic here. So using namespace std, okay, and I just remove this thing from here. Is it working fine? So let's just run it. Yep, ये चीज़ अच्छे से चल रहा है, ठीक है. This is working totally fine. I'm in live class. Yeah, so now I have got this thing. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I don't know what happened. कुछ हुआ है क्या? कुछ फटा कहीं पे? ठीक है भाई. Okay, so sorry guys. DSA with placement is necessary thing. So certificate option, certificate you can download after some time. Okay, just be there. सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा आप लोगों को. आज मुझे आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक भी शेयर करना है. आई विल डू दैट थिंग. Okay, I can't see Sita, Shweta and few other people who are my regular class people. I'm yet to see them. Okay, so ठीक है. Sir, literally we need you bring a long recording session on C++. Durga is saying that. Hi Durga, how are you? Sorry, I was actually distracted by my teammate. एकदम से आ गया, बोलो मैं कुछ हो गया क्या, मैं वो सोच रहा था. ओके फाइन, ठीक है. सो आई कैन सी श्वेता इन द चैट. सर सर्टिफिकेट कब दे रहे हो? सर्टिफिकेट अपन आप देंगे आपको 9 o'clock के आसपास, ठीक है. इट्स 8:07, so we'll go by 9. You should be having your certificate with you. Okay, so let's just create our first function that we were discussing. Void, write down your function's name. So let's write down our function's name, my function. Okay, right, my function. I want to write down, let's say, endl hi. So whenever I want to print hi in our sorry, I should be using double quotes. Just forgot that we are coding in C++, or else it will give us an error. So my function. So whenever how many ever times that you want to actually print hi, you just take this thing and say this. Okay, so what will happen, you don't have to write the same piece of code again and again. You can just call this particular function and it will print it for you. So let's just go ahead and run it one more time. Here we see that yep, is this working? I can see that this thing is working with us right now. ये काम कर रहा है ना, ठीक है. देखो यहाँ पे नहीं 4 बार हाई आ गया अपने आप. This time this we are seeing that we have got 4 times high and it's totally out there. Okay, so can we just go ahead, guys? Can we just go ahead? Do you guys you guys understood this? Yes or no? आपको ये चीज़ समझा कि नहीं समझा, ये बताओ पहले. You guys understood this? Yes or no? You guys understood this? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Premium Hub is saying DSA कोर्स कब ला रहे हो सर? कोडिंग निंजा 1 लाख चार्ज कर रहा है. बहुत जल्दी आ रहा है आपका भाई DSA का प्रोग्राम लेके, ठीक है. सो जस्ट बी देयर. आई विल गेट यू अ DSA कोर्स विच इज़ लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल स्टफ. आई थिंक देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम विद कैमरा अलाइनमेंट. कुछ तो कैमरा अलाइनमेंट में प्रॉब्लम है ऐसा लग रहा है, ठीक है. पता नहीं, घर से ले रहा हूँ सेशन इसके लिए शायद. Okay, so we are done with our basic function. ये भाई this is the very basic function. Basic function, function. Okay, clear hai? Sorted, done. So can I go ahead? Okay, fine. So now let's go one step ahead in functions. Let's just build one thoda sa complex function. So void, okay, sum of two numbers. Now what is thoda sa what is like next level function in this? Okay, if you want to calculate if you just give two numbers, the function should in C++ के अंदर दो पर्टिकुलर आई थिंक यार मेरा दूसरा कैमरा कुछ चालू है, 1 मिनट दो ज़रा. आई थिंक मेरा ये कैमरा चालू है दूसरे की जगह पे. शे मैन, आई हैव गॉट अ separate camera on till date. Shit, अभी तक ना मैं सोच रहा था कि मेरा वाला कैमरा गड़बड़ है, बट अभी समझ में आ रहा है कि लाइक मेरा दूसरा कैमरा चालू था एंड आई वॉज फेसिंग सो मच ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स टिल नाउ. आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू हियर मी प्रॉपरली एंड नाउ दिस इज़ फाइन. अभी समझ में आ रहा है? ओके फाइन, ठीक है. समझ मतलब अभी मुझे थोड़ा अभी तक ना थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं हो रहा था, थोड़ा अनोइंग लग रहा था कि ऐसा कैसा कैमरा दिख रहा है ये. हाउ इज़ दिस कैमरा लुकिंग सो फार? आई वॉज थिंकिंग लाइक दैट, बट नाउ आई सी माई इट वॉज माई कैमरा डिफ़ॉल्ट कैमरा ऑफ लैपटॉप. नाउ आई एम थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंट. Fine. So we have just now built the very basic function in C++. Why do we use functions in C++? We use functions in C++ because of two things. The number one reason is we want to minimize the size of our code. The piece of code which can be used, reused, उसको एक बार लिखो और बार बार use करो. That is the point and that's where we have built our very first function. अगर आपको ना दो तीन लाइन ऐसे प्रिंट करनी है बार बार, ठीक है, you want to print 2-3 things. Hi, how are you all? Okay, and एक और बार cout endl. Okay, and one more like hope you are able to hear me. Okay, so these are the 3 lines. You actually want to repeat these 3 lines whenever a new user joins the particular class. Okay, so what you will do, instead of writing down these 3 lines again and again, ये बार बार ये 3 लाइन लिखने से अच्छा बार बार ये 3 लाइन कितनी बार लिखोगे? आपको इतनी बार लिखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Instead of that, you can directly call your function and it will run for you. Okay, you just have to call it like this way and this will work for you. Clear? Sorted. So now I will go and run this. So this should actually get me the, see, it is printing so many times, 4 times without me repeating the piece of code again and again. So I hope that you guys are with me right now. So please tell me in the chat अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है. So I hope don't ask me about certificates and all. Certificates will come, it will follow up. आज सेशन खत्म होने से पहले आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा and together we will post it on LinkedIn so that we have completed C++ and we are certified करके. So certified is not an issue. Let's get started. Okay, so now let's just go one step ahead. Okay, इस पूरे function के अंदर ना I want to print your name. Okay, I want to print different people name. Hi Durga, hi Yashwant, okay, or like hi Tanish. Okay, so various people I want to just go ahead and write down their names in this. Okay, so what will I do? अगर मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों के अगर नाम इसमें प्रिंट करना है ना तो मैं क्या करूँगा? So I will pass your names here. I will pass your names. Let's say I want to pass DURGA Durga. Okay, I want to pass Kamil. Okay, I want to pass Tanish, TANISH Tanish. I want to pass Shweta. Okay, मैंने आप सबके नाम लिख दिए, but here I have to capture it. So what I will do, I will just go ahead and I'll write string name. Okay, so this is known as like parameter intake. Okay, and what will I do? I'll just go ahead, या स्पेस दे के नेम. That's it. I'll just do this part. What will happen all of a sudden? So चलना चाहिए, देखते हैं. ठीक है. So see, hi Durga, how are you? I hope you are able to hear me. Okay. Hi Kamli, how are you? I hope you are able to hear me. So n number of times I want to add actually people's name. I just add it in this. Okay. I want to add, let's say 100 billion. You are asking me about your certificate 100 billion. Yes, just go ahead. There is a link in the description that is known as one link. Use that one link. You will be landed on a page like this. Mark your all days attendance and just go ahead and mark today's attendance also, so that you can be eligible for a certificate as it is 9 p.m. Vinay, are you able to hear me? Vinay? Call Sandesh and tell him to activate certificates of essential by 8:45. Thank you. So that's it. So now here you will see a download certificate button, so which you can access by 8:45 p.m. and let's go back to our main thing. 100 billion and Sai Ganesh is here. Sai Ganesh. So just run this. So what we have done just now, we have done basically parameter passing. So we passed the argument. In our particular function. So this is our small function, small little function. In this function, we just passed one argument. Okay. So I hope that this is clear, every one of you. Yep. चलो. So एक step आगे जाते हैं अभी. ठीक है. Functions के अंदर parameter हो गया. So we just got to know, like we passed few parameters. Default parameter. Now there is something known as default parameter. Default parameter is certain thing. For example, if I just don't my fun, okay, my function, and if I just don't go ahead and pass a particular function के अंदर नाम ना, if I don't pass a name, inside this function, what will happen? It is saying that candidate function not requires single argument name, but no argument was provided, void function. Okay, line number 19. It is a problem. What is the problem? The problem is कि यार I need one argument but I'm not able to get it. Clear? Sorted? So how to encounter such situations? ऐसे situations को कैसे tackle करें जहाँ पे आपको argument नहीं है, मेरे पास कोई argument, I don't have any argument. Without any argument, I want to print this. So what will I do? Okay, so what will I do? So I'll just do something like default parameter. So name is equal to no name. Okay, name is equal to no name. Let's say now what will happen? All of a sudden you will not get any kind of errors. Wherever there is a blank space, for example यहाँ मैं तनिष का नाम उड़ा देता हूँ, ठीक है, I'll just not pass Tanish name. Okay, after Kamali, Tanish was being printed here, right? So now instead of Tanish, it is no name. It is printing no name. Clear? Sorted? So wherever there is no value sent to the function block, ये block के अंदर जहाँ पे भी value sent नहीं है, there you have got a default value be sent. Okay, clear? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat, every one of you. I hope that you guys are with me till now. Are you guys with me? I can see in chat like there are 2-3 threads are running. Okay, so I'm like questioning myself, is this chat with me or like without me? What is happening? Okay, fine. So let's just go one step now ahead. Okay, अंकिता शुक्ला को कोई हेल्प करो यार, शी इज़ आस्किंग लाइक अटेंडेंस कैसे मार्क करें. ठीक है, सो वी जस्ट नाउ लर्नड अबाउट अ बेसिक फंक्शन. उसके बाद अपन ने सीखा कि यार हाउ टू एक्चुअली हैंडल सेंडिंग पैरामीटर इन अ फंक्शन, that is sending arguments or parameter, And after sending parameter, we have learned the third concept. The third concept is, if you don't pass any kind of name and all, if you don't pass any kind of value, then what to do? So that time you use something which is known as default values. Now let's just go default parameter value. Now when you want to pass multiple parameters, okay, inside function you can add as many parameters as you want. How to add it? So let's just go add it. Okay, so let's modify our function a little bit. So यहाँ पे ना, I hope you are able to hear me को तो निकाल के let's do something else. Handle you have attended these many days. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is like I'm just trying to introduce one more variable, that is days. How many days did you attend our classes? Let's see. Okay, let's say I'm just imaginary one small program I'm creating, and by default the answer will be equal to 0. Okay, by default the answer will be 0. So for example, if I just, let's say I know Shweta has attended all the 5 days. I know this for sure. I know Durga also attended 5 days. I just know about these 2 people. I'm not sure about everyone else. So I'll just go run this, and what you will see, you have attended the these many days, that is 5. Okay, then 005 again, and no name, you have also attended 0 days. Okay, clear, sorted. So now if if I just send one parameter, that is 5. What if I just send one parameter that is 5? What will happen? So it should give us an error. Okay, first argument, it's integer, you have sent as integer, but you have to send that is string. Okay, so what if I just do this? एक और कुछ तो बवाल होगा. So I don't think you can actually send only one parameter directly. So let's just research about it. See this. Note that when you are working with multiple parameter function, you need to have same number of arguments to be passed. If you pass any less or any more and in different sequencing, it will give you an error. Exactly right. Clear? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Now return values. Okay, so returning values. So in in C++, okay, in C++, you have something like return value. Okay, so see what is happening right now. You have made a function which can only just print things on console. आपने जो function बनाया ना, वो बस console के ऊपर printing के लिए ठीक ठाक है. It is good for printing things on console, but it is not so good for actually returning something to the main function block. अगर function block के अंदर अगर कोई value आपको pass करके लानी है, okay, let's say let me just give you an example. Okay, so for one-way communication, two-way communication. For example, I'm talking to you right now on YouTube. Okay, just I'm talking. मैं बस बातें कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Whatever I'm talking, it is going into your head, or like you're able to listen to that. Okay, that's one part. But if you're able to send your expressions or emotions back to me, that will be a different game. Okay, वो game totally different रहेगा. Okay, currently the game is what I'm trying to do is I'm able to only talk to you. You are not able to talk to me directly, or in between the class you are not able to hold me and ask me your questions directly, right? That's a very big problem of like this broadcast medium. Okay, what I want to do in life is like I want in C++ also, this function is something which you are calling, and it is directly printing something on the console. It is not giving back any kind of response. It is not giving back any kind of response back to the programming block. मतलब प्रोग्रामिंग ब्लॉक को ये कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहा, बस प्रोग्रामिंग ब्लॉक इसको बता रहा है कि भाई चलो ये प्रोग्रामिंग ब्लॉक को कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहा. दैट्स अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम इन इट सेल्फ. Okay, in programming language. To counter that, we have something known as return value. Okay, return value. Clear? Return value. So what is return value? Okay, so if you want a particular system, let's say my function is equal to 3 and you want to print that output, okay, whatever it is returning, okay, you want to print that output using cout, okay, you want to print that output using cout in the main function block. You need the value here. आपको यहाँ पे value चाहिए. Instead of directly printing something here, you can return it directly. So let's just do one small function. Okay, let's just do one small function. First I will write down void. Void means null. Null means nothing. Okay, void. So technically in this function we are not passing down anything. My function is not passing any kind of value back. That's why it is saying it's void return type. Void means nothing. Okay, zero return. And instead of void I will say integer, sum of two number. Okay, int a, int b. Okay, and I say return sum. Here I will just do one simple no, instead of return sum I will do return a plus b. Clear? Sorted? ये छोटा सा ये what is the return type? The return type is int. The return type is int. Is it clear, every one of you? The return type is int. Now let's just go ahead and थोड़ा सा cut down करते हैं सबके नाम, or else maybe I'll just what I do generally is like I comment it out, right? So I will comment it out and let's say int x is equal to 0, not int x is empty, let's say, and cout x, or like maybe I assign some value. Okay, cout and endl. Okay, that's done. Now what I do is x is equal to sum of two numbers. I want to pass integer. First number is 78, second number is 23. Okay, and then I want to do cout endl x, and one more statement I've updated x is equal to this. Clear? Sorted? My typo mistakes. Fine. So currently the initial value of x is equal to 0. As soon as you execute this function will return some value back. This function, ये जो function है ना, this function will return some value back to the x. Okay, to the x, and it will take it ahead. Clear? Sorted? Done? Every one of you, are you clear with me? So let's just go run it. As soon as I run this thing, you will see some kind of, yeah. So 0, first technical value is 0, the initial value, and as soon as you have said sum of integer, so this sum of two numbers a and b, it is returning this a and b ka value back to our main program. Okay, so this is our main program, this is our main program, this is our, so this is our main function, this is our sum of two numbers function, and sum of two number function is returning a value back to x. Clear? Sorted? Done? Sure na? हाँ या ना? कुछ तो बताओ. Every one of you clear? Fine. So let's just that's one thing which we wanted to learn. And एक और चीज़ जो है, okay, pass by reference. This pass by reference na, this is one more big thing which I don't want to teach in this particular live. I can teach you, but it's kind of confusing. instead of directly copy pasting a number, you send the address of a number, that is this pass by reference. You try doing it by yourself. Okay, try doing it by yourself, and tell me if at all you like it, yes or no. Because the point is, if I try explaining to you right now, people may take it थोड़ा सा overwhelming एंड छोड़ के जाने का चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसीलिए मैं ये टच बेस नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी फ़िलहाल में. दैट्स द रीज़न आई एम नॉट टच बेसिंग दिस राइट नाउ. आई कैन टच बेस बट इट्स थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड पीपल विल hate it. Okay, now coming to everyone, that's like everyone wanted to ask me certain 2-3 questions and all. Okay, so I will just Slido. I'll just go and make one Slido account, and what I'll do is I'll just go ahead. Okay, I'll just go ahead and create. You don't have access to. Okay, create Slido. C++. I want to understand what all C++ live class. Okay, what all topics you want to learn. Okay, what all topics you want to learn. I want to understand that. What would you like to ask? What all topics in C++ should I teach in recorded version of C++ program on LetsUpgrade? Launch. Okay, I'm sharing you this link. Just go ahead and answer me this link भेजा है मैंने आपको, and I'm ending this one of the chats that I have got here. That is how much should we charge for DSA end-to-end program with placement support. 73% of the people have said less than 5,000. Will 4,999 will be okay? Yes or no? So please tell me. I am looking forward to your answers, guys. Okay. The reason is very simple. Okay, the reason is very simple because the reason is very simple to me. It's like I want to launch it and people are charging so much money, so much. बहुत ज़्यादा ही पैसा चार्ज कर रहे हैं लोग. I don't want to charge that much and I want to ask you guys. That's the reason. Clear? Now, next Monday, I mean not next Tuesday, I'm starting one more program, that is data structures and algorithm. Whatever you have learnt in C++ till now will be used to teach you DSA, that is data structure algorithm. I want to launch one paid program of data structure algorithm. Data structure algorithm is used specifically for cracking interviews, okay, at various product based and service based companies. If you master data structure algorithm, you master everything. That is the coolest trick there. Just go and enroll onto this program. It is starting on 22nd. That's 22nd is Tuesday. That's one part. Okay, now I think विनय संदेश को बोल देना सर्टिफिकेट एक्टिव करने के लिए, अभी करने के लिए, ठीक है. So we can just go ahead and download our certificate. We are almost, not almost, we are actually done with our whatever I wanted to teach you guys in these many days. If I teach you anything further than this, your chances of getting confused is more than anything of it. So I will be creating one very good class. Okay, I can see that you are asking nice questions. Show results. Okay, so you have said structures, recursion, oops. Okay, that's very good thing. Let's say DSA, oops, exception handling, all subtopics, oops. linking other C files while we call program and running. Okay, templates, functions, oops, DSA and objects, recursion, oops. I can see so many people are like asking oops, like object oriented programming. So फाइन, ठीक है. सो लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड स्टार्ट दैट पार्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, मैं अभी ऊप्स का नहीं का बहुत जल्दी आई विल गेट इन टू दैट पार्ट एंड विल स्टार्ट टीचिंग दैट पार्ट ऑल्सो to every one of you here. And please go and give your feedbacks, more and more feedbacks, that will be helpful to me. And in the meantime, let me just go and give you all. Wow, this is like Saikiran and one more Saikiran behind. Okay, this happens because of the green screen effect, but yeah. So let me just go ahead and get you the WhatsApp group where you guys can talk to me and where I can ask you questions, and you will be a part of my exclusive group where we will be like building future programs for Let's Upgrade. Shweta and every one of you, Shweta and Sita and one more person, where is that, Yusuf and everyone. So whosoever wants to be a part of my exclusive Rowdies gang, so come and be a part of it. So I'm just sharing you an invite link so that you guys can join in. Okay, 1 minute देना, मैं share कर रहा हूँ group invite link. I'm just copying it. So here I have pinned my WhatsApp group. Just join in. It's my WhatsApp group where I tended to experiment a lot in terms of what should I teach, what should I do in terms of various things. So यहाँ पे आ जाओ फटाफट, and you want a Zoom meeting and all, we will discuss everything in that particular chat. Okay, मैंने chat के अंदर अभी just pin किया है, जाओ फटाफट. Yeah, I can see a few of you guys joining, and wow, welcome guys. Sai here. Okay, so I can see every one of you are joining in. Wow, nice. I'm making my clan of people with which whom I'll be creating a lot of content, and that's my personal number. Don't give my personal number everywhere. Even if you give, it doesn't matter, because I don't generally pick up calls by people. I mean, until unless I don't know the reason, I don't pick up the call. So it's very typical internet teacher I am. So don't not a thing. So fine. I hope that you guys have learned something. Okay. So today, if possible, then arrange live sessions. Rishi is there. Oh wow, Rishi is active. I can see like people joining in. Okay, चलो ज्वाइन हो जाओ यार फटाफट से, ठीक है. व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर मैं हूँ वहाँ पे. एंड नाइस मीटिंग यू ऑल. एंड लेट्स सर, DSA पेड प्रोग्राम कब चालू कर रहे हो? I'll be starting it very soon. I'm in the final stages of building a curriculum, and after that particular poll, right? After that particular poll of DSA, I am kind of excited to start it. The reason of my excitement is very simple. People want something like that, and even I want to do something on the same lines. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. So let's just go ahead and see our certificate button is live, yes or no. Yeah, certificate button is live. Let me just go back. Hide my WhatsApp. Personal WhatsApp दुनिया को नहीं दिखा सकते ना. दुनिया जैसे सबको नहीं दिखा सकते ना. आपको पर्सनल में Zoom में दिखा दूंगा, बट ये ठीक है. So C++ programming essentials bootcamp. This is, as soon as you refresh this stuff, this particular page, you should be able to see one generate certificate ka button. Please be very honest and give me the rating for today's session out of 10. Not only today's session, for entire program. How likely you are going to promote Let's Upgrade 0 to 10 basis. Okay, and in life, if you want to give a fair chance for becoming a developer. One time if you want to give a fair chance of becoming a developer, like a good try, genuine try, you should look after Let's Upgrade's 6 months full stack program in web development or data science. The three promises that this program do to you all is one, we have 150 plus companies, partner companies, who are hiring through this program. So if you are in this program and doing good in this program, they will be hiring from that particular program. Number one. Number two, you'll be building 15 plus projects in this program. When I say 15 plus projects, 5 of them are industry grade, like Netflix clone, Uber clone, Amazon clones, and various things. And the very last promise, but the very important promise this particular program does to every one of you is, these guys offer 200 hours of live lecture slash mentoring by real-time developers. So real-time developers will come on board and they will teach you, they will mentor you until and unless you are becoming like them for their jobs. Okay, you can crack internships, promotions slash lateral entries. At the same time, you can also crack one last thing, that is jobs. Okay, which is very important part. So just go ahead, hit yes here. You will be receiving one WhatsApp message. Talk to that bot and schedule a callback. There is an option of scheduling a callback. Schedule a callback, and one of my teammates or me itself will come and talk to you. Okay, so download this certificate like this, and it will charge 50 Let's Upgrade coins. Say okay, and that's it. Okay, so your certificate is in download in progress. Yep, so here it goes. So you can actually WhatsApp about your certification to everyone. Give name, is a best friend. I know who best friends are these days. जाओ नंबर डालो उनको, मैसेज आएगा कि you have completed a program on Let's Upgrade. Okay, so that's it guys. Nice meeting you all. Post these things on LinkedIn, because nowhere a word of free is mentioned here. It's a premium program which you cracked it under sponsorship from Let's Upgrade. So it's a fully sponsored program by Let's Upgrade in collaboration with NSDC, ITM, and Google Developer Group Mumbai. So I hope that you all have liked the way how I taught you, and if you have any other feedback, so please tell me in the chat. Okay, कोई feedbacks हो तो बताओ. I am super excited to have your all feedbacks with me. Okay, so love you all. Thanks a lot for joining in, and we want more bootcamps from you. I will be doing more and more bootcamps. I'm planning to do a full production quality videos. Okay, YouTube की तरह चलाते हैं types. So I'm preparing a ground for that. I hope you all liked the way I've been teaching you. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ गो एंड शेयर इट ऑन लिंक्डइन. माई यूज़र नेम ऑन लिंक्डइन इज साई किरण सुंदरकर. टैग मी देयर, शेयर मी ऑल योर सर्टिफिकेट्स. आई विल रीशेयर इट. आई हैव गॉट 7,000 followers. So I will be sharing your certificates if you do that. Okay, so thanks a lot. Bye bye, take care, love you all. I mean legit love you all. Thanks for being a part of this amazing C++ bootcamp. This has been first C++ bootcamp which I have been taken. I love C++. It's my first programming love. I found out my love for programming using C++ itself, and my teacher Kapil Sehgal, he taught me. And yep, so here I'm teaching you all. So thanks a lot for being a part of this, and do check out Let's Upgrade's full stack program. And if you want to be a part of it, just go and sign up now. You'll get amazing level of discounts if you sign up using SS10 as a code. Okay, चलो मेरा क्लास चालू हो रहा है पाइथन का. ओके, आई हैव गॉट पाइथन क्लासेस starting on 29th of November, and 22nd of November I have got DSA. So these are the two programs which are there. Okay, and please introduce yourself on WhatsApp group where you have joined. Even I'll introduce myself. So yep, so every one of you can be a part of it. Chalo, thank you, bye bye, take care, have a nice day, and love you all. Good night, and yep, let's meet in my DSA program. DSA program में मिलते हैं वापस से. ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय. Someone was asking in the chat, can we actually share this certificate in our resume? 1000% you can share this certificate in your resume. It is actually a very good thing. So just go ahead and share it in your resume. People will love it. Okay.